Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So in this video here, I'm continuing my series on how to get free bouquets from cut flowers that you have growing in your yard. This is a small straw flower patch here, and you can grow your plants in containers. If you don't have like a space to plant them out, you can also do that. So, quick recap here. I did do a more extensive video. I am going to do a playlist on this for different things that you need. Nice sharp pair of pruning shears, a container full of water so that your flowers don't wilt. This here, I do a lot with dried flower arrangements. So, these here we're going to be cut for drying. But I just want to show you a quick bouquet here. Out of these, the flowers are blooming so beautifully. Fresh flowers and like dried flowers, they make really nice gifts. So just want to show you a quick thing here real quick. My last arrangement that I did wound up in a vase. This one here probably won't wind up in a vase, but we'll see. So this here is Lyman, also known as Jewels of Opar. And you can see the beautiful little, these here are like the seed pods here, and this here is what we want right here. We want when the seed pods start forming on this particular plant here. And this is very unique. I'm looking forward to getting to use it for like Christmas bouquets and Thanksgiving. Yeah, you could also use this for fall, because it kind of has like the fall colors to it, and sort of like when the different textures and things start dying out. So we have Jewels of Opar. I have about 4 stems here. I have some celosia here. Now my flowers aren't in water, that's why they're wilting right now, because I want them for drying. I don't want wet stems. I'm going to grab a beautiful straw flower here. Gonna grab some marigolds here, and again, you want your stems longer when you cut them. And in my first video that I did, I was showing different ways of cutting some different things, and I have videos on my channel for how to harvest different flowers at their prime stages. Let's get some status here. Beautiful status here. This is real pretty pink. And I'm pulling from different colors here. So I have like my oranges here. I have orange here. I have some pink. And then, just move this down here a little bit. There we go. You can kind of work them around some. There we go, that's better, because I wanted to be able to see the celosia back here. So I have my pink here, I have pink. This kind of has like some pink tones in it and some oranges, so I'm pulling from this as well. Right, just right in there. There we go. Grab another orange here, and this here is a different kind of celosia. I never grew it before. This is a terracotta color celosia, so it kind of has like some oranges and some pinks in it. Put that there. Grab yellow marigold here. Grab another orange marigold. Grab something for the center here. Oh, this is really going to be pretty here. Put another celosia back here. And I'm someone, when I'm doing an arrangement, I like colors and I like textures. So I'm trying to pull like from all my different colors that I'm putting in here. Let's grab some white here. White straw flower. It has like some pink tones in it. We're going to put some white status back here. And where's that dark purple? Here we go. Here's a purple. One more thing. One more thing from the back. Let's see here. What do I want? Go with another purple status in the back. Oh, that's really pretty there. So what you want to do then, cut your stems at a 45-degree angle, and that's going to allow your your flowers to take up the water. Put them in a vase. You can add some flower food to it. It's going to make them last longer. But there's a beautiful bouquet right there. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to do a playlist on this. As I'm doing different bouquets, I'm going to be adding to it. So you can see like some different ideas. And, you know, hopefully this will help put a smile on your face. And, you know, you have a beautiful bouquet for your table. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye!